Baby Jogger City Go I-size infant car seat. How to install the car seat and the base. Before installing your car seat, please refer to the car seat instruction manual and your vehicle manual. First, place the City Go I-size base onto the vehicle seat. Squeeze the grey ISOFIX extend button and at the same time pull the yellow ISOFIX connectors at the rear of the City Go I-size base. Place the ISOFIX connectors over the ISOFIX bars in the rear of the vehicle seat and push the base in the direction of the adult seat back. If correctly attached, you will hear a click and the two indicators on the inside part of the base will change from red to green. Finally, squeeze the grey ISOFIX extend button again and push back firmly to ensure a tight fit against the vehicle seat back. Ensure the support leg foot is in contact with the vehicle floor. Two buttons extend the length. First, press the one on the leg and then the one on the foot. Place the child seat onto the base at an angle, ensuring the two metal bars on the underside of the child seat click into the catches on the base. If correctly attached, the two indicators on the base will click and change from red to green. Once the car seat is correctly attached to the base, move the carry handle by pushing the grey buttons on the handle hub and place into position B, as indicated in the handbook. To adjust the recline to meet your baby's needs, squeeze the grey recline handle on the base. This product is I-size compliant for recline positions 1 to 4. Recline positions 5 to 7 can be used where more space has been provided in the vehicle by the vehicle manufacturer. To adjust the headrest for your child, completely loosen the harness, then adjust the headrest by squeezing the two grey buttons on the underside of the seat and sliding it in the direction of the adjustment. To install the City Go I-size car seat without the base. Once your baby is secured in the 5-point harness, move the carry handle by pushing the grey buttons on the handle hub and place into position B, as indicated in the handbook. Pull the vehicle belt out and thread the lap belt through the blue belt guides at the bottom of the carry handle and insert into the buckle. Tighten off any slack on the lap belt by pulling on the shoulder belt. Next, feed the shoulder belt around the back of the child seat towards the seatbelt housing and thread through the blue belt guide. Finally, feed any slack around the back of the seat and into the seatbelt housing. You have now installed your City Go I-size infant car seat and base. For more information, visit the City Go I-size infant car seat page on the Baby Jogger website. Remember to always refer to your car seat instruction manual and vehicle manual before installing your car seat.